You are going to love the 2019 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.